Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making vegetable soup, so make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post interesting videos, and like, share and comment down below in the comment section. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video. Here I have my vegetables, which consists of ugu and water leaf. I cut them into smaller pieces, and here I have my Maggi seasoning cube. I'm using the star because every woman is a star. I have my crayfish, my blended crayfish and okor. I have my tomatoes and pepper, all blended. I have my dry fish. Actually, two types of dry fish. This particular fish is boneless, and I got another fish here. This particular one is two. I have my red oil. I have my PONMO, the cow skin. I have my salt to taste. I have my sliced onion. And I have my beef, which is washed already. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this video. So I'm starting by boiling my meat, which is the beef, PONMO, which I sliced to the size I want, and I added my onion, salt, Maggi. Then I'm going to boil this meat until it's done. While still boiling my meat, I cleaned my fish, my dry fish, by removing the dirt and the bones. Then I'm going to wash with the hot water to remove any sand that might come in contact with this food. So after doing that, I'm also going to wash my vegetable properly and make sure there is no sand, because I don't want to ruin my whole soup with sand, because not after all this paparazzi, all this peperepe, I don't want to come and ruin my soup with sand. So my meat is done, and at this point I'm going to add my dry fish and stir together, then allow to boil for 3 minutes. I have my hot red oil. I'm going to be adding my onion, then stir together and add my blended tomatoes and pepper and fry until it's dry. So my tomatoes is drying up, but not fully dried. At this point I'm going to add my blended crayfish and okor and stir together, then fry for another 3 minutes. So my tomatoes is dried, as you can see, is dried. I'm stirring it together to avoid burning. Then I'll be adding my meat water, stir together, then add in my meat, PONMO and fish, the dry fish, and stir together, then allow to boil for 5 minutes. So I'm going to be adding my salt, maggi, and stir together, then allow to boil for 5 minutes before adding my vegetables. At this point, I feel this oil is just too much for this soup. Kai, look at the way it's just floating and dancing there. Kai, kai, kai. Let's see what will happen if I put in my vegetables. Let's see what will happen. So like I said before, I have washed these vegetables earlier, and I guarantee, 100% guarantee, there is no sand inside. So as you can see now, I'm going to pour in those vegetables into the pot and mix properly. But I'm going to mix off camera, then I'll be back to show you guys what and how it looks like. I don't want to mess my kitchen. So this is what the mixed vegetable looks like. Can you side that meat and one more? Oh my god, I can't just wait to eat this delicious soup. Meanwhile, this vegetable soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. Eba, fufu, pando, yam. Mention it. They're plenty. You can use any kind of food swallow to eat them. So guys, I want to remind you to subscribe. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Also give this video a huge thumbs up and share if you can. Share this video. Yes, you heard me. Share this video. So I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes, then we'll be right back. Stay tuned though. So guys, our vegetable soup, or rather my vegetable soup, is ready. And if you stay close to me, please bring in your plate. I'll gladly give you. So guys, this comes to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, comment down below in the comment section, share, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. I love you guys. Bye, bye, bye.